This product is selling very well on Etsy right now. This digital design paper is currently making a lot of money for beginners in Etsy industry. The most amazing thing here is that it's a lucrative AI side hustle has a wide open market with a very low competition. So if you are thinking of starting a side hustle, consider this AI side hustle as your ticket to success. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of crafting one of these highly sought after design on Etsy with steampunk junk journal paper. And the best part, you will use the power of AI to seamlessly bring it to life. But before we get into it, please hit that subscribe button to help me reach 1k subscribers, and ensure you watch to the very end to understand how this AI side hustle works. So having said that, let's get started. I come across a promising passive income opportunity when I asked ChatGPT to provide a list of best easy AI side hustle for me. Among the top 10 ChatGPT listed, the steampunk junk journal paper is one of those at the top. To validate its demand, I needed to assess several factors. First, I searched for it on Etsy to know the level of competition of this AI side hustle, as we aim to stay clear of products that have a very high competition. I look at the product labeled as bestseller. Our primary objective is to replicate the success of these top performing designs. I come across a steampunk digital product that had gained interest from over 20 potential buyers. This indicates a strong demand, and the recent and positive reviews provide further insight into the product's popularity. Additionally, I discovered another steampunk design from a different store, enjoying similar results with over 17 added to carts. These are interested buyers that also want to purchase this product from this buyer. So how do we determine if this product is still in demand? I suggest sorting the results by most recent. This way we can ascertain if a recent purchase indicates if it is still a profitable time to sell this product. With this in mind, or with these factors, you can see that this product is doing well right now and we need to jump in. To create this design, you can utilize the free Canva AI tool, which is an excellent option, especially for those that are not yet making money online. This alternative often delivers superior results for designs of this nature. To get started, create an account with Canva with an email address if you don't have an account with them. When you log in, click on create a new project, then select A4 size, as design typically follow a portrait layout. Before proceeding, I would like to let you know that all AI prompts mentioned in this video will be accessible on the description below. Now, on down here, click Magic Studio. That is the Canva AI tool we'll be using. Then input your prompt. Generate a prompt for the digital design. Select a keyword from the title and use it to create your prompt. Describe the customization of the prompt, which involve a steampunk junk journal paper with a vintage style specified. Click generate to proceed. The result turned out well, and remember, you can create different variations from this productive design by selecting generate more like this. This will create more design for you. Next, align your design on the Canva and export it as PNG. With all this information, it appears that I have introduced a potential new product design that could boost revenue for your store. Remember, on platforms like Etsy, only top quality design will sell. So make sure that your design is a top notch. Make sure you try this out, and you can watch more videos on how to create Etsy account and how to sell well in Etsy. I wish you good luck and thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that we can become a family and help me reach 1k subscriber. Thank you.